Nobody's getting
Gru.
groomed, man. Nobody's getting groomed.
अरे Gru. अरे oh idiot.
Oh,
Grew. Grew.
okay. Gru, you know the Gru from the Minion movie? Gru, the villain?
No, I don't know. I didn't watch Minion movies.
Banyaya.
I
You've not
haven't
watched
watched.
it? Banyaya.
No. No, I
Banyaya.
haven't watched.
No?
I haven't watched. No.
Banyaya. No?
No.
None of them. You've watched none of them.
No. None of
Oh,
them.
okay. You're missing out. You need to catch up and watch all of it. Banyaya.
Fine. Fine.
Yeah,
I'll.
yeah. Okay.
And I'm preparing for my masters now.
Okay, so you have a lot of time to watch all the Minion movies.
No, I literally don't have no time to watch because like I'm preparing for my entrance as well to get admission into my masters.
But okay, okay, so when you actually go to get an admission in the Masters University, right? For the Masters, right? And then you actually
Yeah.
go and get a job, okay? And then you're probably gonna like, save money and then you're gonna, get married, have a family, maybe all of that. When are you gonna watch the Minion movies then? I think this is the only time
Fine.
you're gonna have that when you can watch the Minion movies. Cause
Okay, so I'll watch it. I'll watch.
yeah, yeah,
Fine.
you
Thank you.
need to. Cause I think it'll change your
Fine.
perspective.
Okay.
Yeah. Cause
Now,
like
how it's going to change my perspective?
because I think we as humans, right, we have so many
Hmm.
concerns, there's so many things going through our head, there's so many things that we think about, right? But i
Yeah.
feel like
Right.
i feel like the point of life is simplicity, okay?
Streamlabs.
Okay, now
Hmm.
what do the minions want?
Streamlabs.
What?
Yeah, just one thing.
What's that?
VIXTHERBOY donated $5
Sorry.
through Super Chat.
Banana.
Brought up is valid English as well.
Banana.
It's called the
Yeah.
Indian dialect. Some
As in
MFs try
fruit
and act
banana.
high and mighty, but
Yes,
in
in the
reality
fruit
they're
banana.
small-minded.
I
But
still didn't.
so okay, let me
Still
try
didn't
to explain it
understand
again.
it.
Okay, you know what the minions are, right? The yellow
They are.
minions, small
Yeah, I
small,
know
one
how they
eye,
are.
one
Yeah,
eye.
small. One eye.
Okay, so
I
they,
know.
so as humans, okay, we think of so many things. Like you want a job, you want probably friends, you think about like family, you think about so many things, right?
Right.
And which is why you are always suffering, because even if one thing goes right, the other thing does not go right, right?
Right.
But the minions, they have only one eye, okay, one eye, okay, and they have a tunnel vision, okay, tunnel vision. They are focused, and there is only one thing on their mind and on their mouth: banana. So,
Okay. So they are okay. So they have less desires and like
yes,
less,
yes, yes,
less and
yes,
less. It's like okay.
yes.
Oh, okay. So it's about the our needs,
It's
desires,
about
and
the
you feel
art
okay.
of minimalism.
Fine. Okay. Now I'm
Yeah,
intrigued. Now I'm going to watch it, bro.
yeah, yeah,
Thank you.
yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
yeah,
Thank you
and
for the recommendation.
yeah, definitely.
Thank you
And
so much.
so the thing about minion movies is that it seems like it's stupid, okay, but the thing is
Yeah.
that it's actually like subtle and social commentary. Like they are disguising it as a children's movie, but it is actually social commentary.
Now I'm very intrigued,
Yeah,
bro. Seriously,
you
I'm
actually need to
definitely
watch
going
it.
to watch
So
it.
the thing is,
Yeah.
they make these movies for kids, right? But in reality, it has secret messages in there.
Seriously.
So
Hmm.
you
And
might
okay,
symbolism.
yeah. Okay, so there was this one movie
Hmm.
which my cousin recommended me, and
Hmm.
it was about the soul, something. Soul, have you heard like this movie name, Soul?
Soul, yeah, yeah, soul, yeah, okay,
That this
soul.
person died and he has so many, ambitions in his life, and then,
Uh huh.
and then
Uh
he just died,
huh.
and then his soul journey begins.
Uh huh.
Then about the afterlife and all. So it's about that. And it is
Okay.
a really so it's about the afterlife. So
There's
and it's an
also
animated movie.
there's also another
It's also
movie
yeah.
that I could recommend you. It's about families and bonds, and it's and it's like a very beautiful movie because it's about some like strangers that they life makes them meet together, and somehow they get attached to each other and bond, and then they all of them have no family and they become each other's family. It's called Penguins of Madagascar. Have you seen it?
Okay, yeah, I have heard the name.
Yeah. Oh my
Okay, I
God.
have heard the name.
You really need to watch that as
Fine,
well. I
fine.
think it.
You have a really nice taste, bro.
Yeah,
Thank
I
you.
am. I am. See, I only watch movies like these. You know. Have you
Hmm,
have you watched The Lion
nice.
King?
Yeah, about the Lion King.
Yeah,
I
Lion King
watched.
is amazing, right?
Lion King is amazing,
Yeah,
guys. It's
yeah,
about
Lion
the
King.
family, and I
Yeah, yeah,
really
yeah.
like that movie.
Lion
Family
King.
bond,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
generational,
Generational trauma.
the
It's actually about
yeah,
generational trauma.
exactly,
Lion King. Yes, yes, yes. And
exactly.
it's about breaking the generational
Mm.
trauma. Yeah, yeah. Yep.
Exactly,
Yep,
bro.
yep, yep.
It's really nice, and I really, oh my God, I feel really bad when Mufasa died.
Oh
Oh,
my
bro, that was
God.
really, the first time when I watched that movie and the way he died. Oh my God, I was literally terrified that time.
Yeah, yeah.
And then that Simba was there and he was trying to wake him. Oh my God, that was so. Oh my God, that
Yeah.
was so traumatizing for me to watch
I
that.
I try not to think about it, honestly. I
No,
try.
bro. And when the first time I watched, I literally had tears in my eyes when I
Yeah,
watched
yeah,
that
same,
thing.
same,
It
same.
was really, you know,
Same,
hurtful
same.
to watch.
It was very hurtful. Have you watched
Hmm.
the Timon and Pumbaa?
No, I don't watch that much animated movie, but with your recommendation, I am thinking that I should watch.
Yeah, yeah, of course, of course. Also,
I'll
you should also get
I'll
into Family Guy. Have you ever seen Family Guy?
like that web series of Manoj
No, no,
Bajpayee.
no. That's Family Man. I'm talking about Family Guy with
Okay,
Peter
family.
Griffin.
Okay, yeah, the family guy, that big
Yeah,
guy
yeah,
with
the
the big
Peter Griffin.
tummy.
Yeah, yeah, Peter
Yeah.
Griffin.
Okay. No, no, no,
So
no. Actually, I want to watch that
you
thing,
need
but
to.
I'm not literally. I'm not getting time because it has a really
It's really
long.
long. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, so
But
that's why I'm not getting time to
but
watch
the
that
thing
thing. But
is,
I'm
yeah, yeah,
definitely
yeah.
going to watch
So
that
the thing is, you can just pick up
movie.
any episode from Family Guy and you can just start watching. So the thing is, let me give you some like context, okay? So the guy, the fat guy, right, Peter Griffin,
Hmm.
he's supposed to be an encapsulation of all of our evil. You know, he's supposed to be the encapsulation of all of our evils in one person, and he's supposed to embody human mistakes. You get it?
Oh my God. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
okay.
and
This
then
is deep.
yeah, and
This
there
is
are
literal deep shit.
there
Oh
are
my God.
characters
Nice.
that embody each sin. You know, there's Quagmire who's full of lust, okay, and
Hmm.
then there's Lewis, you know, and she does not see like too much of the world, you know, apart from her
Sorry. Mhm.
perspective. And then there's Brian, who's a dog who's talking, and he's also an author. So yeah, it's very deep actually.
Okay. Actually, I watched some of the clips
Yeah,
of
yeah,
that.
yeah. You must
Yeah.
have, yeah.
So, but then I googled this thing,
Huh.
and then I found that it's pretty long, and then I was like, okay, fine. I'll have much of a time, and I wasn't like in my then
Mm-hmm.
I'll watch that thing.
No, I think you should definitely,
Yeah,
get
yeah,
to
I'll
it. I think
definitely.
watch the
I'm
Minion
literally going
movies
to
first.
prepare after our conversation. I'm literally going to prepare a list, my next watch list.
Definitely,
Seriously.
definitely. What about
Mm.
Courage the Cowardly Dog? Have you ever watched that?
Yeah, I have heard like it was but I haven't watched that cartoon. No,
Okay. No, it's about
no,
facing
no.
your fears actually.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I know.
Yeah, I really like these shows, you know. I really like
Mm,
these shows. Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, but yeah, you should definitely watch the Minion movies, you
Yeah,
know.
I'll definitely watch it.
Yeah, yeah, it was a great conversation.